This beautiful home has a spacious open floor plan. The primary bedroom is located on the main level. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms and a versatile loft space, ideal for a home office, playroom, or cozy reading nook.Step outside to your private backyard oasis, complete with a charming fireplace, creating the perfect ambience for outdoor gatherings or peaceful evenings. The home's location is a true gem, situated close to Turkey Creek shopping for all your retail and dining needs in Oak Ridge. Plus, it's zoned for highly sought-after Hardin Valley Middle and HS and New Mill Creek Elementary school.New water filtration system installed 2022.